In this video, I'll show you how to get free money on Cash App without a bank account, using legal and effective methods. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. One of the easiest ways to earn free money on Cash App is through the built-in invitation bonus, and you don't need to connect a bank account to use it. To get started, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account menu. At the top, look for the option that says Invite Friends with a Cash Bonus listed next to it, then tap on it. On this screen, you'll be able to see how much you can earn for each successful referral. To invite someone, choose how you want to send the invite, such as by phone number, email, or sharing your invite link. Send the invite to a friend who has never used Cash App before. Once your friend signs up using your link and completes the required steps, the bonus will be added to your Cash App balance automatically. You can repeat this process with multiple friends to earn more free money. Since the bonus is added directly to your Cash App balance, you can use it without needing to link a bank account. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.